Hello, welcome back to Crochet with Ash. Today I am showing you rice stitch. This is the rice stitch. I am using this stitch as a border for another my project, a cardigan or pullover you can call it. So this is the rice stitch. Alternate front FPDC, front post double crochet and back post double crochets. Front post, back post, like this. So look very nice. So now I will show you how to do it. I will make a small sample and show you how to do this stitch. First you make chain of odd number loops. Always odd number of loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 18 and 19. Let's take 19 loop chain. Now skip these first two chains, 1 and 2, and double crochet into the third chain. We do not count these two chains as a stitch, and make a double crochet in each chain loop till the end. You should have odd number of stitches. Now not counting these two chains. I am assuming you know how to make a double crochet. If you need a tutorial, there is a video link in my description. I will show you once. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up the loop. Now you have 3 loops on hook. Now yarn over, pull up the loop through first 2 loops only. Then again yarn over and pull up the loop through the remaining 2. That's the double crochet. Last one. Now just check if you have odd number of stitches. I have 17 stitches excluding these 2 chains. Now next row, 1 chain and turn and make a half double crochet in the very first stitch. then we are going to make FPDC in this post. Again, the tutorial video link for the FPDC and BPDC I have mentioned in my description. Yarn over, insert the hook beside this space, yarn over, pull up a loop and then make a double crochet. Complete this stitch. This is FPDC, front post double crochet. Now we are going to make BPDC. Yarn over, we are inserting hook from the back, front, again taking out the back, pull up the loop, yarn over, complete this double crochet. So one FPDC, then BPDC, and now FPDC. Now BPDC. Okay, complete this stitch, double crochet. Now FPDC. Now continue doing this front post and back post stitches, not until the end, but last but one stitch. BPDC. FPDC. Then this last stitch we are going to make another half double crochet. Okay, so we started with half double crochet, ending with half double crochet, and in between first front FPDC, front post double crochet and front post double crochet. Okay, now next row, again chain 1, turn and make half double crochet in the first stitch. Then start with the front post double crochet. Always start with the front post double crochet. So this looks like back post from this side. It was actually front post, but we can see it is a back post. So now we are making it front post. Again, now front post, now back post. Again front post, then back post, again front post, back post, just keep on doing like this. This was FPDC, now I am going to do BPDC. Again FPDC. Then to end the row, half double crochet. See, we started with FPDC, ending with FPDC. Of course, there is half double crochets at the start and end. Just keep repeating this row. That's it. You will get right stitch. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye bye. See you again.